Well, welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to use this Husky. This is a posit handle and compression sleeve puller, and this puller dual purpose tool removes six posit handles and half in compression sleeves. So that's the instructions. You can remove the stubborn half in copper compression ring, and you are able to remove also most of the posit handle. I got this because I have an issue with my copper tube, that my nut like this, it burst because it was an old nut. So I decided to buy the whole kit, that it comes with the compression ring or the perule or sleeve. So I decided not to buy separate. My copper line, I believe, is a half an inch. So this one is an half an inch, as you see. This one is an half an inch. Right there. So what is the reason why you guys need this puller? Because once this compression ring or sleeve, you insert this to the copper tube, and once you put it inside the tube together with the nut, and you insert it, you thread it to the posit, to the garden posit. This one, once you compress this or tighten this, and this compression ring, it will lock to the copper tube, and it's really hard to remove it. I don't advise that you guys use a jawbreaker or any pliers to remove this, because you might gonna damage your copper tube. I highly recommend you guys use this one. This one, I got this from Home Depot. It's a lifetime warranty, Husky posit and handle compression sleeve. Let's open this up. Let's see. The way you guys use this, you need to insert this to this together with the copper this copper sleeve. Remember, this copper sleeve stay with the copper tube, and what it does, so you need to insert it like this. So you need to insert it to this, like this.